With Apple Pay, you can use your Apple devices to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. It's easy to use, secure, and private, and limits your contact with physical buttons. To get started with Apple Pay on your iPhone, make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. Then, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a credit or debit card. Use the camera to scan in your card, or enter your card information manually. Once you've added a card on your iPhone, it's easy to verify it for use on your other devices too. Plus, you'll have the option to set up Apple Cash to send and receive money using the Messages app. Your Apple Cash balance will show up as a card and wallet, and you can use it anywhere that Apple Pay is accepted. When making a purchase, just look for one of these symbols. You can use Apple Pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch in participating stores, restaurants, vending machines, when paying for rides, and more. Ready to check out? If you have an iPhone with Face ID, double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone or enter your passcode. Or if you have an iPhone with Touch ID, rest your finger on the Home button. Then, tap the screen to choose a different card if you'd like, and hold your iPhone near the card reader until it's done. Purchasing something online? You can use Apple Pay within many apps and for shopping on websites in Safari. No need to type in your billing information. Just look for Apple Pay at checkout. And that's Apple Pay, a secure and easy way to pay.